Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing and demoing PMD Beauty's Personal Microderm Pro. This beauty right here, this game changer is essentially like bringing the spa into your home. Going to the spa to get a microderm treatment is probably roughly around $299. Well, you can now do it safely because of COVID inside your own home on your own, and it will cost you $199 for this beauty right here. Now, if you were to ask me what I thought, I mean, it seems silly to spend $299 on one session. Why not spend $199 on the tool itself, do it yourself, and use it as many times as you want? All right, so as you guys know, I always keep it real with you. I have a little bit of a embarrassing confession to make, okay? And I'm pretty sure I'm not alone in this, okay? So I reached out to a famous makeup artist last week and we had a conversation, and I wanted to get her recommendations on skincare, because I really don't feel like I'm taking great care of my skin. I feel like I should be doing more. I don't wear a nighttime serum. And I realized in this conversation, I don't exfoliate my skin. Eek! The confession is I don't exfoliate my skin, and that is like the worst thing ever. I've never exfoliated my skin ever in my entire life. And I realized that in order for skincare to be properly absorbed into the skin and actually work, and so you can see benefits, you have to exfoliate the dead skin, take it away to have the skincare absorbed. It's a little bit embarrassing that I've never done that before, but it's okay. I know that I'm not the only one out there who has never done that before as well. So we can all come together and we can all learn about how to properly take care of our skin. Now, what are the benefits of this? Well, first of all, it's an exfoliator. It's going to remove the dead skin cells to allow for new skin cells to be produced. It's going to help boost collagen and elastin production in the skin, and it's going to help reduce. You got time? Because I've got many things to list off here. So, first off, it's going to help reduce blemishes. It's going to help reduce dark spots. It's going to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to help reduce enlarged pores. I mean, what is this? This is like pure, I'm holding on to pure magic right now, and I'm so excited to try this. But the most thing I'm excited about is when I was talking to this makeup artist, I realized that in order to get the full benefit out of the skincare products that I use, I need to exfoliate. So this Personal Microderm Pro is going to enable 20 times deeper absorption of those skincare products. Oh, why did I never know about this before? I'm so excited. Okay, so before I hop into the demo, I wanted to quickly run through what comes in the actual kit. So obviously it comes with the PMD Beauty's Personal Microderm Pro tool itself. It comes with a filter that goes right on top of the tool, like so. Then it comes with a baggie full of mini discs, and I like to consider these mini discs mini sandpaper discs. They come in a wide variety of intensities, so you guys can customize your own treatment based upon your skin's needs. Today I'm going to be starting with the white disc because this is the least intense. It's made for sensitive skin, first-time users, and so on and so forth. But then you can also choose the red, which is the most intense, and it's the most coarse disc itself, and that may be something that your skin needs. And then there's colors in between the white and the red for different intensities, again, being able to customize whatever it is that your skin needs. And as you guys can see, they come in 2 different sizes. The smaller size is specific to your face, and the larger size is something that you can use all over your body. And then it comes with 2 caps, obviously coming in 2 different sizes, one for your face and one to use on your body. The last thing I wanted to show you guys that comes in the kit is this exciting power cord, but the reason why I wanted to mention this is because this actually needs to be plugged in order for it to work. Now that we've covered all of the basics and all of the details of what this beauty can bring into your life, let's get into the demo. First thing you're going to do is you're going to customize your treatment. So go ahead and select the disc of your desire. Go ahead and take the disc of your desire and place it on the top of the device. Now make sure you select the correct size top and go ahead and screw that right in. All right, it's time to grab the power cord. Go ahead and plug that baby in. So there are two speeds. One is a high speed and one is a low speed, and that just means how fast the disc is spinning. The low speed is actually great for sensitive skin, beginners, and tricky spots. First, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the skin taut. This allows for a smooth pass. First, you're going to start at your jawline and you're going to motion upwards. Now remember, you do not want to pass over the same spot twice. And as another tip, be sure to not hold this in one place on your skin. You need to keep it constantly moving. Now, if we get a little closer, you guys can see that there's a calibrated vacuum suction that is happening as I pass the tool over my skin, which essentially means it's just sucking off the dead skin, which therefore increases my cell turnover rate. I've been pretty concerned with some blemishes and fine lines and wrinkles, and I definitely have some dark spots throughout my skin on my face, and so I'm really excited that this is going to help it. How simple and easy was that? It only takes you 3 minutes to do the entire face. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the dead skin off my face, and I'll be right back. The very last and final step of completing this treatment is finding your favorite moisturizer and toner and go ahead and throw that on. All right, ladies, that brings us to the very end of my demo and review of PMD Beauty's Personal Microderm Pro. I am so excited, so excited to have this in my life that I can start to incorporate into my weekly routine, because let's be honest, I never had a weekly routine because I've never exfoliated my face in my entire life. So if you are out there watching this video and you haven't either, you are not alone. And the thing that I'm most excited about is that because it's an exfoliator, it's actually going to allow 20 times deeper absorption of the skincare products that I use on a daily basis. And who doesn't want that? It's like essentially I've been putting skincare products on my face and they've been blocked by my dead skin that's never been exfoliated. I'm so excited to have this tool that's really going to start changing the way that my skin feels and looks, which I couldn't be more thrilled about. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys learned a lot, and I hope that I've inspired you to start exfoliating your face. And why not bring a spa treatment into your home so you can do it whenever you want instead of spending $299 every time you go into the spa. As always, please be sure to like this video and subscribe so you guys get notifications every time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in the next one.